lecture is there? I'll check it.
No, just check.
I'll check
Rohan
it.
says, Rohan says.
Okay, I'll check it. Huh?
Girls, you'll tell me now whether it is English today or not.
It is. It is social lecture. Today's Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, that
Yes,
my
ma'am.
Your lesson was first only.
Oh,
yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
sorry, sorry, sorry. I have to go to the boys' class. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. हो जाता है मैम. It's okay. These things happen, right? Okay.
Yes.
It's my lecture only, na?
Yeah, ma'am, it's your
Yes,
lecture
ma'am.
Yes,
Your
ma'am, it's your
lecture
lecture
only.
only.
only onwards.
I also got confused in wanting to see.
Uh,
Okay, chalo. Now we will start our new lesson. Okay, and the lesson name is. What is the lesson name?
The
our
earth, our habitat.
The earth,
habitat.
our habitat.
Our habitat.
Our habitat.
Nine, page number.
Chapter number 9.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, on which planet do we live, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
On
me,
which?
ma'am. I have one doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, we have to write states and capitals in fair book or rough book.
Sure. If you have if you have written in your prayer book, then it's okay. Then write in your rough book. And as if you have not written in your rough books, sorry, in your fair books, then copy down in your fair books. Am I
Ma'am,
clear?
I will write in both fair book and rough book.
Ah,
Ma'am, I had written states and capital in fair book.
yes. And if you those who have written in fair book, they will also do one time homework and send it to respective teachers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Those
Ma'am,
who have
can I
written
show
in
you?
no,
Ma'am, but
those who have,
I can show in front camera only before.
no, no. You know it to show me right now.
Okay.
You don't need to show me. You need to send it to your follow-up teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, we write in fair book now.
Yes. Those who have not written in fair book, they have to write in fair book. Those who have written in fair books, they have to write in rough book. Clear now? Don't keep on asking again and again.
Ma'am, please.
समझानो बताने.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we understand.
चलो now open your textbooks.
Ma'am, I have already opened.
Ma'am, I also have already opened.
Page number 47.
Just a minute. My textbook page is not available.
Page number 47.
Hmm. चलो read बेटा first paragraph.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
read?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ
can I
Iman
read?
read.
Ma'am, can I read Kaduri Zoha?
Iman.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read? Chapter number 9. The Earth, our habitat. Wherever we live, that place is our village and home. All this in on top of water. Such questions arises in all of our minds. Answer is very simple. That my home, my that my answer is very simple. That my home and my village is on earth. Thus, earth is called our huge home, which is very huge, isn't it? So let's know about our huge village. You also want to know this, which is natural. You know that that our earth is member of solar family. Again, what is solar family? Let me give you information regarding the solar system.
Hmm. Yes, beta, very good. So,
Okay,
where do we live, beta? Where do we all live?
ma'am, we live on earth.
On the planet Earth. Where do we all live, beta? On the,
On the planet Earth.
yes, very good. So, this planet Earth, okay, is a part of what, beta? This planet Earth, our planet Earth is part of what?
And this planet earth is a part of solar family.
Exactly, exactly. This planet Earth is the part of the solar family.
Yeah.
Right? Now, what do we do? How can we live on the planet Earth? And what are the reasons that we are going to see ahead? Okay? Mm. Okay. Now, the most important thing is the planet Earth is the family of solar family, right?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? So, this planet Earth is the family is the part of what, beta?
Solar family.
Solar
Exact, exactly, exactly. It is the part of solar family. Hmm. Now, do you remember what all comes in the solar family? Who will say me?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Say,
Ma'am, in solar family, the eight planets and two small planets, which is called.
hmm,
Ma'am, there are eight planets:
hmm.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Exactly, exactly. Right? Now, for that one statement you wrote down, I am speaking. My very educated mother
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am too.
Ma'am served us 9 pizzas.
served us nine.
Pizzas.
Okay. No.
Ma'am, I
Can you
know.
repeat?
Ma'am, I know.
हाँ बोलो.
My very excellent mother just served us noodles.
Yes, exactly. My very educated mother just served us noodles, right? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So, whenever we leave, uh-uh, whenever we leave the place in our village and home, all this is not, all this is on top of what? Okay, wherever we live, जहाँ भी हम रहते हैं, चाहे वो विलेज हो, चाहे वो सिटी हो, या हमारा घर हो, तो ये किसके ऊपर है? All this is on the top of what? It is on top of the earth. Yes, what is it on top of the?
It is on top of the earth.
Thus, earth is called our huge home. What is earth called? Earth is called
Earth,
our huge home, big home, right?
yeah.
Which, which is very huge, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Earth is very huge.
Huge means very big. Yes or no?
Big.
It is very huge,
Very big.
very big, right? So
Yeah.
let us know about our huge village. You also want to know this, which is natural. Yes, our Earth, our planet Earth is natural. Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know that our Earth is a member of solar family. Again, then what is solar family? So let me give you information regarding the solar system. Okay, now we will see our solar system. Okay, planets, small planets, comets, meteors, all are a part of solar system. Now, what are
Ma'am,
comets?
I have one question.
What are meteors? All this we are going to learn in this. Now, the sun is a star of galaxy which is known as मंदाकिनी गैलेक्सी. ओके, आप लोग ने जो ईवीएस में पढ़ा होगा प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, इसे मिल्की वे भी बोला जाता है. ओके,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it is and it is
Yes, ma'am.
and it is beta, surrounded by innumerable big and small stars. Okay, how many stars?
Ma'am,
In
uncountable stars, big and small.
Earth is one such ball, and all these are recognized as planets due to gravitational force of sun and gravitational force of the planets. All the planets rotate around the sun in a circular form. Okay, how do they rotate?
Ma'am,
In a
Earth
cir-
rotation.
in a circular form. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
These
Yes, ma'am.
planets do not have their own light. है ना, उनके पास अपनी लाइट नहीं होती है. They all are illuminated by what? By the light of the sun. These planets of the solar system are different sizes and forms. All these planets together make a solar family or a solar system. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mehreen,
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
this beta. Mehreen, revise karo beta.
Yes, ma'am. Solar system. Our sun is the self-illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy Milky Way. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. All these are recognized as planets due to gravitational force of sun and gravitational force of the planet. All these planets rotate around the sun and in a circular form. These planets do not have light of their own. They are illuminated by light of the sun. These planets of solar system are of different sizes and forms. All these planets together make solar family or solar system. Thus, planets, satellites, small planets, com- comets, and meteors are included in our solar.
Meteors बोला है, सो बोला है.
Meteors are included in our solar system. So let's get acquainted with the solar system. At first, let's know the sun as the key member of the solar system.
Yes, everyone understood till here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now we will see ahead about more about sun. Okay? We
Okay, ma'am.
clear till the sorry?
Okay,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
want to Muskan.
Ma'am, I want to read Kadri Zoha.
Yes,
Can
Ma'am,
Zoha
I
I
read?
Kadri,
want
read
to
better.
read
Ma'am, I
Sirat.
want to read Muskan.
Can
Ma'am,
I
I
read
want to
now?
read Sirat.
Zoha Kadri, read better.
Okay, ma'am. Sun. We are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun is honored star. It is considered as the giver of life on earth. The sun is about 13 million times larger than earth. If you take one to make a revolution around sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 kilometers. it will take 107 years to complete the revolution. Gravitational force of Sun is 28 times more than that of Earth. Hence, the weight of a substance on Earth weighs 1 kilogram on Earth. It would weigh 28 kilogram on the surface of Sun. It is because of the gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and revolve on it. The Earth is about 15 kilometers away from Sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the surface of Earth. The surface of
Of the sun.
the,
Ma'am, can I?
No,
the
she
Ma'am,
will
can I?
surface of
continue.
Sun
She
is
will
always
continue.
the
Ma'am, I want.
surface of Sun is always unstable. It includes in
Several.
several kilometers long, igniting fire flares.
Illuminating. Illuminating.
Fire flares. The sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that organisms have developed on earth. Thus the sun is also known as the graduation of organism. Now let us verify introduce
Guardianation नहीं. Guardian. Okay.
guardian of organism.
Have a pause. Have a pause. Stop.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. We are familiar with the sun. All of us. Right? You, me, Zoha, Sirat. Everyone knows what is sun. It does not require any introduction, right? Our daily work begins with the sunrise, and but our sun is an honored star, right? Because it gives light to all the planets. You can also say that sun is the giver of the life on the earth. Sun ही हमें life देता है earth पे, right? You sit in a plane running at a velocity of say 1,000 kilometers. Oh my god, that is going to be great, right? Still, it will take 107 years to complete the revolution. कितने साल लगेंगे? 107 years to complete the revolution around the sun. Gravitational force of sun is 28 times more than that of the earth. How much?
28 times.
28
Ah,
times.
yes, more than that of the earth. Hence, the weight of the substance on the earth weighs 1 kg on the earth. It will weigh 28 kg on the surface of the sun. मीन्स के हम जो 1 kg आलू यहाँ पे लेते हैं पोटैटोज या एप्पल्स वो यहाँ पे 1 kg होंगे पर अगर हम सन पे जाएंगे तो वही 1 kg वही 5 एप्पल्स वहां पे 28 kgs का हमें दिखाएंगे कितना दिखाएंगे सन पे
28 kg.
हाँ, why because gravitational force of the sun is 28 times more than that of the earth. How much it is more? 28.
28 times.
Yes, more than that of the earth. Hence, we can say the weight of a substance on the earth weighs 1 kg on the earth, right? It will weigh 28 kgs on the surface of the sun. Okay? 1 kilogram of onions on the surface of the earth. sun पे कितना kg होगा वो?
28 kg.
Ah, right? But can we go on sun? No. Right? So it becomes It is because the gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and they revolve on it. The Earth is about 15 kilometers away from the Sun. How much it is away?
15 kilometers.
15 kilometers away from the Sun. It takes about एक मिनट है यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक है हाँ Earth is about 15 kilometers. No, this is a mistake here. Okay, I'll check it out. It takes about 9:15 for sunlight to reach on the surface of the Earth. The surface of Sun is always unstable. It includes several and more kilometers long lighting fireflies. The sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. What is it made up of, beta?
Hydrogen,
Hydrogen.
gas.
It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in the air, which we call as energy. What do we call as? We call as energy.
Energy.
Okay. So the surface of the sun is very hot. How is it? It is very hot.
Hot.
And yes,
Hot.
yes, very good. And it is because of this, right? The sun's energy that the organisms have developed on the earth, right? Thus, the sun is also known as the guardian of organisms. As what? As the guardian of organisms. मतलब हम सब का चाहे हम हो चाहे एनिमल्स हो चाहे प्लांट्स हो हम सबके गार्डियन है जैसे आपके भी घर में आपके गार्डियंस होते हैं ना आपके पेरेंट्स और वो सब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो आपके क्या कहलाते हैं गार्डियंस द केयर टेकर्स राइट द सेम वे बेटा the sun is also known as guardians of organism right understood Julia
Yes,
now
ma'am.
let us briefly
Yes,
introduce
ma'am.
yes now let us briefly introduce what the planets. There are total 8 planets in the solar family. What? How many planets are there? 8 planets.
8 plants.
Yes. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and inner planets. Well, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus. Okay. Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen with the naked eyes. How? That I will explain you. Okay? How they can be seen with the naked eyes, I will be explaining you. Okay? Yes, Meghani Meherin? Meherin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, revise this what I explained you better right now.
Ma'am, from sun?
Yes, of course, beta.
Yes, ma'am. We are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun has honored star. It
Our
is
daily work begins
begins with the sunrise. Sun is honored stars.
એક મિનિટ બેટા છે ને honored નહીં બોલવાનો honored બોલવાનો h છે ને h silent હોય okay
Okay, ma'am. It is considered as the giver of life on earth. The sun is about 13 million times larger than earth. If you want to make a revolution around sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 kilometers. It will take 107 years to complete the revolution. gravitational force of Sun is 28 times more than that of Earth. Hence is the weight of a substance on Earth weighs 1 kilogram on Earth. It would weigh 28 kg on the surface of Sun. It is because of the gravitational force only that planes are in their particular path and
Place
revolve
means
on
planets.
planets are there in a particular path and revolve on it. The Earth is about 15 kilometers away from Sun. It takes about a quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the surface. The surface of the Sun is always unstable. It includes
Several.
several kilometer long irrigating line.
Very good. Continue.
Ma'am, now
Igniting.
the sun's
Igniting.
core is made up of
Irrigating नहीं.
hydrogen gas.
Igniting.
Igni-
Irrigating not right.
ma'am.
igniting fire
Igniting.
igniting fireplace. The sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. It products light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that my Iman's mic is unmute.
Iman, mute your mic.
So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that organisms have developed on earth. Thus, the sun is also known as the guardian of organisms. Now let us verify introduce
Briefly.
planets.
Let us briefly.
Introduce planets. There are total 8 planets in family, among which Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter are inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen with naked eyes.
Ma'am, now can I read Sirat?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Can I read?
Kenai Sarumali Aisha. Kenai Kulfu Malwani.
Kirat.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha Sarumali.
Notary Kirat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please, Kirat.
Okay, ma'am. Mercury. This planet is closest to the Sun. It is yellowish in color. Mercury does not have atmosphere or satellite. From the Earth, we see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunset. Number 2. Venus. It is most dazzling planet in the solar family. In size and weight, it is like Earth, like twin brother of Earth. It resembles the moon in shine. It does not have a satellite. Due to thick cover of gases and clouds around it, less knowledge is there about it. Number 3. Earth. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Earth completes one rotation around the Sun on its axis in 24 hours, while the Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 days. Events such as day and night and the change of seasons can only be seen here. Earth has one satellite, Moon. Moon. It is the only satellite of Earth. It takes about 27.3 days to complete its rotation on its axis around Sun. There is no atmosphere on the Moon. There is no life on it, as there is no water and atmosphere above the Moon. It is a non-luminous body. It is illuminated by the Sun due to falling of met-
Meteors.
meteors on the surface of the Moon. Large pits have formed. Extinct dead volcanoes are found here. Number 4. Mars.
Mars. Mars.
Mars. It is beautiful red colored illuminated planet. Atmosphere of Mars is lighter. As per seasons, more cold and heat is there on Mars. It has two satellites. Scientists are trying to develop organisms on Mars. Number 5. Jupiter. Jupiter is light yellowish white planet. Jupiter has gaseous atmosphere around it. This planet is believed to be very cold. It is the largest planet of solar system. It has 79 satellites. In this also scientists have different opinions. This huge planet can be seen with the help of binoculars. While watching hi- hi- binoculars, while watching through binoculars, droplets can be seen on the surface which looks beautiful. Number 6. Saturn. In the solar family, it is located between Jupiter and Uranus. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. It looks beautiful with bright rings of blue color. It looks different because of rings. These rings look like a turban worn on the head. Saturn is also called turban planet. Saturn has more than 62 satellites. The surface temperature of Saturn is quite low because of its distance from the Sun. Uranus. It is so far away from the Earth that it could not be seen with the help of ordinary binoculars. The light of Sun is also like light moonlight, as astronomer named William Herschel discovered the planet in 1781. This planet is very cold.
Yeah. So, slowly and gradually, we are going to learn about all the planets, but in the next class, okay? Everyone understood till the sun part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts till there?
No, ma'am. No,
Chalo.
ma'am.
So, we'll end up here, okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.